Let me show you on this video how to automatically send your PDFs to Salesforce. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to send your PDFs to Salesforce. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and I'm going to select a form for demo purposes. In this case, I'm going to use this feedback form and I'm going to edit this form. Once I'm in my Jotform builder, I'm going to jump into settings, and in settings, I'm going to jump into integrations. Once I'm here, I'm going to search for Salesforce and it's right here. So let's go ahead and select this. And if you haven't connected previously, I do recommend that you add an account. You will need to log in and allow access Jotform to Salesforce. Once that's done, you'll have an account ready to go to start integrating. Once we're here, we have the option to create or update a record or find an existing record. In this case, we want to create or update a record to send that PDF over. Then we need to select the objective of this purpose. For example, do I want to send this over to an account, an associate, a template, a direction, etc. In this case, I want to create an account with the feedback form that's going to be filled out, and I want to send over a PDF. Okay, so now we need to connect the records here for the fields with the Salesforce account and the feedback form for this purpose. In this case, the name of the account is going to be the name from the form that's going to be filled out, and we're going to select attachments. This is where the magic is going to happen. We need to send over the PDF submission to Salesforce. So if you've created several PDFs in the PDF editor here in Jotform, you'll see them listed right here. In this case, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to preview this to send over the file over to my Salesforce account. Okay, so let's fill this out with demo data. Here we go, and I'm going to update this. Here we go, and I'm just going to say test for the street and no file upload for this purpose. Let's go ahead and submit this. Jotform is going to automatically create a PDF and it's going to send that over to Salesforce. So let's go see that right now. Let's go into our Salesforce account. Let's go into accounts, and in accounts, we'll see them listed right here. This is the one that I've just created right now. Let's go ahead and open this up, and we have the details available here. Billing address test. That's what I just typed in. If we scroll a bit down here, we're going to find the attachments. In the attachments, we have the PDF attached for this submission right now. And here it is. That's how easy it is to send over your PDFs to Salesforce. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your forms, and integrate with Salesforce to send over those PDFs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.